Ethereum value equivalent to 30,983 rands a coin. The present cost range, 29,726, 31,188. The earlier day close, 30,321. The change was plus 662. Plus 2.18%. Converse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 29,677 rands. High 31,754. Low 27,600. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 29,955 rands. High 32,052. Low 27,858. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, February 23. Cost 30,944 rands. High 33,110. Low 28,778. Ethereum figure on Friday, February 24. Cost 30,395 rands. High 32,523. Low 28,267. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Cost 32,948 rands. High 35,254. Low 30,642. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 34,340 rands. High 36,744. Low 31,936. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 33,948 rands. High 36,324. Low 31,572. Ethereum figure on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 33,995 rands. High 36,375. Low 31,615. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 34,186 rands. High 36,579. Low 31,793. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 33,850 rands. High 36,220. Low 31,481. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 32,417 rands. High 34,686. Low 30,148. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 31,852 rands. High 34,082. Low 29,622. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 32,914 rands. High 35,218. Low 30,610. Ethereum gauge on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 32,512 rands. High 34,788. Low 30,236. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 31,632 rands. High 33,846. Low 29,418. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 31,691 rands. High 33,909. Low 29,473. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 32,327 rands. High 34,590. Low 30,064. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 31,489 rands. High 33,693. Low 29,285. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 33,775 rands. High 36,139. Low 31,411. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 33,905 rands. High 36,278. Low 31,532. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 32,348 rands. High 34,612. Low 30,084. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, Walk 22. Cost 33,769 rands. High 36,133. Low 31,405. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2023. At the outset cost at 27,560 rands. Excessive cost 36,744. While low cost 25,562. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31,052. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the months end 34,340. Change for February 24.6%. Ethereum conjecture for WAC 2023. At the outset cost at 34,340 rands. Excessive cost 41,706. While low cost 29,285, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,077. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the months end 38,978. Change for spring 13.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. At the outset cost at 38,978 rands. Excessive cost 48,379. While low cost 38,978, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 42,887. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the months end 45,214. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for May 2023. To start with cost at 45,214 rands, exorbitant cost 45,214. While low cost 38,455, the found the middle value of cost 42,558. Ethereum cost estimate toward the months end 41,349. Change for May 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 41,349 rands, exorbitant cost 41,349. While low cost 32,302. The found the middle value of cost 37,433. Ethereum cost estimate toward the months end 34,733. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 34,733 rands, exorbitant cost 43,110. While low cost 34,733, the found the middle value of cost 38,217. Ethereum cost estimate toward the months end 40,290. Change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 40,290 rands, exorbitant cost 40,290. While low cost 34,000, the found the middle value of cost 37,785. Ethereum cost estimate toward the months end 36,559. Change for August 9.3%. Ethereum estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 36,559 rands, exorbitant cost 37,306. While low cost 32,424, the found the middle value of cost 35,289. Ethereum cost estimate toward the months end 34,865, change for September 4.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 34,865 rands, exorbitant cost 43,000.